Hi and welcome. Glad you stopped by. So it is a watering day for my Vanda Calmari here, and she is currently soaking in 500 parts of MSU fertilizer. And then I'm going to do some rearranging, I think, because I'm throwing the bromeliad away. So I'm thinking that perhaps I can put 2 more orchids in this space right here. Have to stop and think about it. But let's just swing over here. And let's just go into the house and look what we have on the table awaiting us. But before we get to that, I want to show you guys something. So this is that big girl that I got in the last ICPU unboxing from Ken at Orchid Supply Store, which don't forget to go get your 12% discount with every order. But remember that big leaf, that the new one that broke? But look how quickly this new leaf is coming out. And then I think I know what happened with the one leaf that was senesced right here. Look at the root there, and if we turn her around, she's had several roots trying to bust out. So I think what happened is that it damaged the tissue, and the tissue just continued to die, because this leaf right here is still fine, and then the others are doing well. So let me get you off of my hand and onto a tripod, and we will see what is in our lovely box here. Be right back. Okay, so this is my new little purchase. I have actually been looking for one of these for a little over a year. I have found them other places, but I was looking for a specific size. And she is a replacement of an orchid that I recently showed you that I lost. And this is also my first time ordering from this company. It is Foresta Orchids. They are out of Puerto Rico. So I am uber excited to see what is in a box. And while I've already opened this, now she showed delivered at 11:15 yesterday, which was Thursday the 13th. Was Thursday? Yeah, Thursday the 13th. So I asked my husband to bring her in. He texts back, says no box. And I said, okay, it shows delivered. So did my little thing with the USPS, and for those of you who don't know what that is, that's the United States Postal Service. Shows delivered, but I ain't got it. And 11:15 last night, so 11:15 p.m. on Thursday the 13th, this arrived on my doorstep. So she has been sitting in this box open since then. It is now almost 5 p.m. in Aurora, Denver, Colorado. I have had a day. I had an appointment earlier, went to the wrong office. The doctor has 2 offices, went to the wrong office. The other office is all the way on the other side of town. And for those of you in Denver area know that Taylor Swift is in town for the weekend. The Rockies are playing the Yankees, and then I think there's another kind of sports thing going on, plus a bunch of other small venues doing things. So traffic was horrible. But the doctor's appointment went well. Everything that I've been doing with my hand, because I didn't go to physical therapy, I've been doing it on my own. They said it looks great. Of course, it's still a little swollen, expected, could take up to a year, blah, 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 blah. But everything's going fine with the hand. Yay. I know, Trish, who cares? Let's get into the box. So, got my handy dandy box cutter here. I hope everyone is enjoying their Friday evening and has a fantabulous weekend. Don't forget to stop by tomorrow for the Saturday Strolling with the Orchids. I have some exciting things to show you. Now, this is her loveliness here. This right here is a clue of what it could be. Let's see. It's packaged really well, and I don't want to do too much with the tape, so I'm just going to make a little small incision in the paper, and we're just going to tear a light paper. And it's cartoons. I used to love to read the Sunday cartoons when they came in the color. Wasn't a big fan of the everyday newspaper cartoons. The black and white didn't do it for me, but oh my goodness, I used to love reading the Sunday cartoons. Anybody else? Just me. All right, so she is packaged really, really well. And so she's in a nursery pot. I'm going to use my box here to contain And she does look a little worse for wear, simply because of the travels. It's been hot, as well as staying in the pot or in the box. I probably should have taken her out last night, but I was tired, and then I had my doctor's appointment. Anyway, the universe was against me. So we're gonna get her back to her beautiful self. But this is, for those of you who don't know or haven't guessed it yet, this is the Phalaenopsis violacea, and this one is the variation Carula Indigo. So yeah, she is super dry. Super dry. But the shipping didn't take that long. It didn't take any longer than if I'd ordered, say, from Washington State. It took about the same number of days. And I really now am concerned about her because I feel like I left her way too long. Yeah, she looks rotting. Look at that. She looks like she's rotting. It's okay. She has a root. We're going to put her... Now, this one I will put in a calcium, magnesium, and probably a seaweed soak. I will not do anything as far as taking her out. I'm not going to do anything. I will put her under the fan to help dry out her leaves because, like I said, I feel like these are rotting. They are very, especially this one is very soft and tender. So we'll have to wait and see. I'm assuming that it's because she stayed in the box too long in the house. I don't know. Because we do have, I don't know if you can really see right there, but we do have a healthy leaf down here at the bottom. So hopefully with that CalMag kick, it'll help kind of strengthen her back up and she kicks out a new leaf because, like I said, we do have active root growing right there. And then there's another little active root, whoops, right there. All right, just this quick video on the unboxing. Fingers crossed that nothing happens with this one. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at Saturday Strolling. And if you're watching this in the future, go check out the Saturday Strolling. It's where we look at all the orchids and I kind of chitter chatter a lot. Bye.